How to turn on save passwords on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on save passwords on Opera Mini. First thing we're gonna do is go to Opera Mini and then just click this Opera icon here, and click here, and then just go down until you find this one, advanced, and here you will find save passwords. And if you want to turn it on, just one click, and as you see, save passwords has been turned off by one click, has been turned on. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.